What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anirudh, and today in this video we are going to do a small little interior mod as well as a small exterior mod. I call this project as whiting all the lighting. So what I'm going to do is replace all the interior lights, the license plate lights, and also the reverse lights into white LEDs. This particular mod is basically a no-brainer for me because first of all it's easy, secondly it's cheap, and lastly it literally takes no time. All you have to do is just open up the casing and replace the halogens with the LEDs. Today in this video I'll be changing all the interior lights, all the cabin lights, then I guess the puddle lights, then the boot lighting, the trunk lights, the license plate lights, and also the reverse lights. So these are the interior lights, the big ones, and the rest I'll be needing these small T10 LEDs. Lastly, for the reverse lights I have these big 1156 type of LEDs. So let's get the car and let's begin. For the tools, we just need a Phillip head and a trim removal tool. You can even use a flathead screwdriver, but I don't suggest that because they can leave scratches on your panels, so I won't suggest using a flathead. So you can buy these off Wish or any Chinese site. Yes, I just paid 50 rupees for the set of 4, so that's like hardly $1. So we'll begin by this light, this dome light. So I just have this front dome light, I don't have any center dome light. So I'll be starting off by taking off this cover, and here is a T10 and that long one, and as you can see this one is already fused, so it's a good time to replace all these. So let's begin. To take off the cover you might have to use a trim removal tool in your car, but for my car I have to just pull it off and it'll come off. And now we have to take it off, but you need to be careful, these might be very hot right now. So I'll begin by replacing this one. As you can see, I've installed this one. And a tip, that if you put the bulb and it doesn't work, try switching it, because these are polar sensitive bulbs. That means the positive needs to be in the positive and the negative in the negative, otherwise they don't work. So usually if it doesn't work the first time, try turning it around. So now let's also change these two. So if the bulb is way too hot to touch, and then I'll suggest you to wait, but if you can't wait like me, then just get a microfiber towel or any cloth and just hold it and pull it out. So I have completed installing this, and the interior looks so bright and it looks even more dirtier. So I'm supposed to do a complete interior cleaning tomorrow, so expect a video soon about interior cleaning. A lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a detailed video about interior cleaning, so I'll be doing that tomorrow hopefully. And for some reason, I don't know if you can notice or not, the middle light is pure white and it's like a warm white color, and I love this color. But these side ones, these map lights, are quite bluish, and I guess these are called cold white. But overall it looks so nice. I'll show you from the outside how it looks. And I'll put a before and after picture for a comparison. Actually a dim feature of this light, so whenever I close the door it doesn't switch off immediately, it fades away slowly, and that looks so beautiful. Let me show you. That looks so beautiful. Now let's continue doing the other lights. Now I'll be doing this trunk, the boot light. So a tip for you guys, that Make sure to clean the lens inside and out so that you get the full effect of your light. So it is also done now. I have just changed one and check out the difference. Even the throw is so amazing that it's going on the ground. Check out the difference it makes. It is either this or this. Now I'll also replace this one and I'll show you how it looks. I have cleaned this one and check out the dirt on this one. So that's why I said you need to clean these before you put these back, otherwise you won't get the complete effect out of your LEDs. Now let's put these back on and tighten them with these two screws. Just notice while cleaning these that these lenses are actually made by Hella, as you can see now. I never knew Hella made such stuff. It's actually cool to know. Check it out, the difference that these small LEDs makes in the rear of this car. Now it looks so much newer. For these last set of lights I'll be changing out these. Yeah, now you can see the actual color. So I'll be replacing them with again white LEDs. So to replace these I have to reach on the back of the tail light and plug this one out and replace it. So I'll do one and show you how it looks. So now to reach the back of the tail light for my car, it's very easy. I have to remove this carpet. So just after removing the carpet, these holders are visible. The reverse light is the third one. So I'll be taking the yellow one out and I'll be showing you how much of a difference it makes. Replaced one out. Now let's see the difference. Oh my god, this is so freaking bright. The camera is not even focusing. Color difference is so amazing. It's like pure white. Oh, this looks so amazing. Now I'll also replace the other one, the right side one. All I need to do is take the carpet off, pull on these tabs and it will come out. Now to remove this, it's a bit hot. Now I have to turn it anti-clockwise and put it back. I have to put it inside and turn it clockwise. There you go. It's hardly a 10-second job. Wow, check this out. Now I'll also switch on these license plate LEDs and wow, the car looks so freaking new from the back side. Today was a successful day. Now let's go inside and wrap this video up. Forgot to mention and record these puddle lights also. I have also replaced these ones with the white LEDs like I have in the middle, but sadly I forgot about this bulb, so I'll be replacing also this one in the future. But for now I'm completely happy and stoked with today's outcome. So now let's go.